In this video I will show you when a recipient reads your email. So guys, let's start. At first open the Google and then write down mail track extension. You can see here guys, this is the mail track, free email tracking. Click here and then install for free. Install for free. See guys, I add to Chrome and then add extension. So guys, now let's check. Allow. Click here, sign in free. Sign in free. So guys, compose, I will show you one example. Two. Here subject is a test. Hello. And then send. You can see guys here, you can see here guys, one green right sign is here. If the recipient read, this sign will be a double green color. You can see here guys, double green. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, comment and share.